It was bloody cold this morning. Into it. So we just painted up the sliding screen for the girls' loft beds. You can see down here I've put a little roller right on the end there. Holes for some flush mount handles, so I'll be able to slide it across for that. There you go guys, for that privacy screen, runs along here, a roller runs along here, and there's two gaps down here either side of the wall that the partition slides into. Spot here to sit the laptop on while they're laying down and chilling out. Suppose they could even, if they wanted to, they could have a little diary in the box here and fill out their daily journal in the diary. Whatever kids get up to, I suppose. But I just thought it'd be good to have somewhere for them to sit the laptop anyway. So yeah, they got a little pallet shelf, and they got a nice deep box there where they can store their the laptops and bits and pieces. You got a little fold down desk where they can sit their laptop to watch TV. That just folds up. And then they got another little box here just for the little knickknacks. Time to put some light in here. Four holes in the corners. I'll go outside now and cut that bit of plate out, trim it up, and then stick the windows in. I've said this a few times, but this stepping drill is the most used tool on this bus. If you're doing a schoolie or bus project, make sure you get one of these. Just about to trim up the loft windows. Nice little windows for them. Puts in heaps more light. So yeah, you can see we've primed in here, and we've also put in a couple of latches, so that will fold down and the kids will be able to rest their laptop on it and watch whatever they're watching. So it will look like that pretty much. A nice little shelf there with a USB and cigarette lighter. Obviously we'll use a cigarette lighter to power up a fan or something else. Got a little downlight in the corner there. Kids want to hang little fairy lights in here as well, so should look quite nice. Got a slightly bigger than a single mattress going in here, and then on this side we've got a bookshelf. You can see here we've got some little eyelets. We're going to run a curtain rope along there just to hold the books in. So yeah, we've got this little room divider as well, so that just slides across and gives them a bit more privacy. So we've been cracking along. Got this little cupboard here that we made. Give you a quick answer. So this one's just the shower exhaust vent. Had to plumb it up because we've got the loft up here. The shower's under here, so we've had to plumb it up to the roof. We could have plumbed it out straight out to the side, but yeah, we had the original vent up there anyway, so we decided just to go straight up. But yeah, there's quite a bit of room in there. So yeah, the idea is we're going to put a shelf in there, and the girls can have another little spot to put some knickknacks. But yeah, getting there. So yeah, that's pretty much the lofts semi done. Just got to paint it up and finish the wiring. But yeah, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. But yeah, while you're here, stay tuned because we've got plenty more coming up on the bus. So yeah, we look forward to showing you. Yeah, we found these little love heart name plaques, I suppose. So we decided to get one each for the girls. Just gives our rooms a bit more of an identity. But yeah, the girls have been out here and I think they both absolutely love their little areas. So all good.